Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I am Belitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, in today's video we are doing Minnie Mouse Easter baskets. So yeah, both of these items I got from Five Below and I was so excited to find them because I did not have many items at all. So I was glad to find these. So basically I'm gonna just go ahead and start off by securing these like I always do. I always use some type of backing for my baskets. Normally it's something that is going to go into the basket, and I'm just going to tape that down, making sure I'm rubbing down in between those so that nothing can move. And I'm actually going to just double that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to this little drum or music set there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure it's secured. And we're gonna add this coloring book. I actually got this coloring book from Dollar Tree. This was a part of the little stock from last year, so I got that for $1. And then I'm just gonna rub the tape down so that it's not so sticky, and I don't want it to damage my coloring book, so I always rub it over my hand a couple times just to take some of the stickiness off. And then I added that just to secure it and make sure everything is, you know, standing upright. And then I'm just going to go ahead and double side some tape. I rub down, and we're going to add these bubbles next to the popcorn, as well as securing the bottom of the bubbles as well. And like I told y'all, this tape works really well. I'm going to link it down below. This is probably the best tape that I have used thus far, so I'll link that down below. And then I'm just securing the bottom of the set to the side of the basket so that it can't bend forward or backward. Then I got these birthday party tiaras. Those were so cute. I was so glad to find those in Walmart. I found those in the birthday party section. So y'all always check out the birthday party section wherever you are, and you'll basically find character items in sets, and they're discounted because it's for birthdays. So then I'm just going to go ahead and cover up the back of the basket like we always do with our tissue paper, and securing the sides with our double-sided tape. I don't actually buy it double-sided, but as y'all can see, I just roll it in my hand, double it, and it does the job. And I just secure the sides as well as the bottom to cover up everything that we did in the back. So that basket is basically done. So now I'm adding this little set I got from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and put it on the back. I was going to put it on the front, but it didn't look right, so I went ahead and added it to the back just with the double-sided tape. And I'm securing the side of this basketball set as well, just how I did that side, so we can't move. I'm adding this white paper shred. I told you guys I get that in bulk from Amazon. I'll link that down below. These stickers came from Dollar Tree last year, and then this little mini set came from Dollar Tree as well, but I decided not to use it. It was too big and it just didn't work. So we put the nightlight in the bubbles, and I secured the bubble with the clear tape. You can barely see it, and that's why I like it, because it seems like it's standing alone, but it's not. So then I'm adding paper shred to the back of this basket just to finish it off and make it look cute. And we're going to go ahead and add our little tiara that came from Walmart in the pack, and our Easter eggs that are filled with candy. Just a little candy, not too much candy, but we're just going to add those lollipops from Valentine's Day. Nobody knows, we're still going to use them. And now I am just bagging this up. This basket is done. So I'm just tying it up as I normally do, securing the bottom as I normally do, and then I'm just going to tape the sides, you'll see. And I'm actually going to shrink the bottom as well, making sure everything is secure, making sure everything is flat. And then I found this ribbon from Dollar General. I was so happy to find this. It was so cute, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what can I use this for? Bam, perfect, my mini basket. So out of that, I was actually only able to get 2 ribbons, or 2 bows rather, but I was so happy to even have those because they fit so perfect and so cute. I wish the color was more perfect, but whatever, we're not going to be, we're not going to nitpick. We have the polka dots, we have the pink, so it works. So I just went ahead and tied that to my curling ribbon that was already on there. That curling ribbon was actually used from the bottom of the pool bow. So always save the bottom of your pool bow ribbon. Do not throw it away, because you can use it for other baskets and you won't need to buy curling ribbon. So I always save the curling ribbon from the bottom and this is what it's looking like. Both baskets completed, and I really like these. They're so cute. Leave it a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, stay crafty.